Hi children. Yes. Today we'll continue with Standard 4 EVS 1. Lesson number 3 Storage of Water. All of you drink water? Yes. All of you have learned the uses of water in first, second, third standard? Yes. So now we'll learn the methods to store the water. पाणी साठवायला पाहिजे ना? Yes. So we should learn the methods to store the water. Ancient methods and modern methods. The method ancient means the methods which were used before. Yes. Now we use our modern methods. Let's see, chalo. Okay. See this girl. Yes. What she is doing? Yes. This is hillock. This is called as hillock. Yes. She is watering the plants. She is giving the water to hillocks. Yes. Now while she is pouring the water, in which direction is the water flowing? Downwards. Yes. And on the steeper slope, this is steep slope. Yes. The water is flowing. Yes. Now we'll learn some methods of storing the water. Okay. You will realize that some rainwater flows away over the ground. Some rainwater, the water which comes from rain, it flows away over the ground. Some water seeps. Seeps means it goes inside the ground. And this is called as groundwater. The water which is inside the ground is called as groundwater. Yes. All the water we get comes from the rain. The water we get is from the rain. The rainy season lasts for 3 months, 3 or 4 months. We have already studied in previous chapter seasons. Yes. We also studied cashew apples, jamuns, karvanda. Yes, na? Yes. And this rainy season lasts for 3 or 4 months. And for remaining months, we have to store the water. If we do not store the water, we will not have enough water. Yes, then water scarcity will be there. Yes. Now we'll study the different methods of water storage. Old water stores. Old means in ancient period. Let's see what were the methods. In the olden days, several methods of storing water were there. First is wells. See, विहिरी आहेत असतात का नाही विहिरी गावाकडे असतात ना विहिरी बघितल्यात का सर्वांनी विहिरी Yes, so they are wells. Some rainwater seeps in the ground. Seeps means absorbs, go inside the ground. And wells are dug. मग हे काय ह्यातनं पाणी मिळवण्यासाठी विहिरी बांधल्या जातात. Yes, wells are dug to obtain this water. See now second, water tanks in forts. मोठमोठे किल्ले असतात किल्ल्यांमध्ये टँक्स असतात मोठमोठे वॉटर टँक्स येस पीपल लिव्ड ऑन हिल्स इन द फोर्ट्स आधीच्या काळात माणसं फोर्ट्सवर राहायची किल्ल्यांवर राहायची दे ऑल्सो नीड वॉटर सो द फोर्ट्स हॅड रिझर्वॉयर्स अँड टँक्स सो देर वर डिफरंट मेनी ह्यूज टँक्स इन द फोर्ट्स टू फुलफिल द नीड ऑफ वॉटर This tank is on the fort Shivneri. Yes. Now see next. A draw well. It is also said as Ad. Okay. In the past, draw wells were dug. See the dug wells? Yes. How are these draw wells? Yes. To get drinking water. These wells are dug to obtain the drinking water. They were very small wells. They were very small. And there was a small pot here. See? Can you see a small pot? Yes. And that pot is also called as pohara. It is also called as pohara. And that pot was tied to a rope. Yes. And with that rope, they were taking the water from the well. Yes. Atpadi in Sangli district had a draw well in every वाडा मोठमोठे वाडे असायचे या प्रत्येक वाड्यामध्ये काय असायचं ड्रॉ वेल असायची आटपाडी इट इज अ सिटी इन सांगली डिस्ट्रिक्ट येस द ड्रॉ वेल्स हॅड वॉटर दिस वेल्स हॅड वॉटर फुल इयर when the tap water system when the tap water means the water coming from tap now we have tap water was introduced the draw wells went. As the tap came, all these draw wells, use of these draw wells was less. This can be seen in many villages. Okay. Next, rivers and bunds. Rivers and bunds. भरपूर rivers आणि bunds वापरलेले. Earthen or masonry bunds were built. See the bunds? Yes, this is the bunds on a river. Yes. These also were used to store the water in olden times. Next, old reservoirs. See, this is tank at Chandwad in Nashik district. Okay, so reservoirs, the storage of water was built in low rainfall areas where the rainfall is very low, not much. Yes, most of the reservoirs were built using stone. भरपूर stone वापरून हे reservoirs बांधले गेले होते. See next, old tanks. त्याला हौद पण म्हणतात. Old tanks. Okay, see a tank in Aurangabad city. Yes, earlier these tanks were used to store the water, and some large cities, the cities which are very large, they have these old tanks, and out of that some of them are still in use. काही अजून वापरले जातात. Understood? Yes. Now we'll come to the modern methods, recent systems. First is dams. Okay, first is dams. See the dam? Yes. Have you seen Radhanagari Dam? Yes. Chalo, let's start. The most important of all recent water storage is the dam. Now the modern system, most important modern system is dam. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities. In dam, we can store lot of water. As a result, more land was brought under cultivation. There is more water, so more farming can be done. Yes. Cities began to grow due to more water, more dams. Cities also began to grow. It became possible to set up factories and generate electricity. For electricity, water is also needed. Yes, and for that it is possible, more water is there, so it was possible to start factories. Yes, Maharashtra has several dams, many dams like Jayakwadi, Koyna, Ujni and Yeldari. Which are the dams? Jayakwadi, Koyna, Ujni and Yeldari. You should learn these names of the dams. In exam, the questions will come. Name the following. Okay? Yes. Now let's see number 2. Bore wells. Next are bore wells. Earlier, wells were dug to reach the water. Earlier, in early method, early system, wells were dug. विहिरी खणलेल्या होत्या under the ground. But it was not possible to draw deep-seated groundwater. एकदम खाली गेलेले groundwater आपल्याला घेणं possible नव्हतं. Now, with the help of electric pumps, it is possible. आता electric pumps आलेत, pumping. Yes, so due to that pumps, it is possible to get the water. Bore wells are dug for this purpose. ह्यासाठीच bore wells तयार केले जातात बघा. These wells are very deep but very narrow. They are very deep. खूप खोल असतात. But they are very narrow. अगदी थोडीशी जागा असते जायला. Understood? Yes. And the last system is पानपोई. Yes, पानपोई. Drinking water stands. असतात का रस्त्यामध्ये पानपोई असतात बघा. See these tanks? Yes. Earthen pot tanks are there. Somewhere steel tanks are there. There we can drink the water free of cost. Yes? Yes. पानपोई, people out on the roads need water. जे बाहेर माणसं असतात, गरीब माणसं असतात, त्यांना पाणी लागतं ना प्यायला. मग बिस्लेरी घ्यायला पैसे नसतात त्यांच्याकडं. Yes. So water when we are thirsty, we need water. Yes. In some places, big clay jars, मातीची भांडी असतात, of drinking water are kept for the use of सच पीपल. अशा माणसांसाठी मोठमोठी भांडी तिथं ठेवलेली असतात. दिस वॉटर इज ऑफर्ड फ्री ऑफ चार्ज. पैसे तिथे घेतले जात नाहीत. दिस इज नोन ॲज पानपोई. पानपोईज आर सेट अप बाय इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स और इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स. भरपूर माणसं किंवा संस्था, वेगवेगळ्या संस्था ते पानपोई तिथं करतात. पानपोईज आर व्हेरी युजफुल एस्पेशली इन समर. समर सीझन मध्ये भरपूर यूज असतो. बिकॉज इन समर सीझन वी फील व्हेरी थर्स्टी. येस. So understood the lesson, all of you? Yes. In next video, we will learn next lesson. Bye bye.